Want to learn Python but don't know where to start? Don't worry, we're breaking it down so simply that even beginners can master it. Let's dive in. Python is a beginner-friendly programming language used everywhere, from building websites to creating AI. Think of it like English for computers: simple syntax, readable code, and powerful capabilities. Major companies like Google and Netflix use Python daily. You're learning a skill that's incredibly in demand right now. Let's start with fundamentals. Variables store information, like containers holding data. Data types include numbers, text, and true-false values. Functions are reusable blocks of code. Imagine recipes you write once and use repeatedly. Loops repeat actions automatically. These four concepts unlock 90% of Python programming. Let's start with fundamentals. Variables store information, like containers. Here's the secret. Learning Python requires doing, not just watching. Write a simple program calculating your age in days. Build a quiz game. Create a to-do list app. We've included downloadable practice questions and solutions below. Start small, build confidence, then tackle complex projects. Progress happens through consistent practice. You've learned the foundation. Now practice daily, even 15 minutes counts. Join Python communities online, ask questions, and build projects you're excited about. The language gets easier with repetition. Remember, every expert programmer started exactly where you are now. Consistency beats intensity every time. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more Python tutorials. Drop a comment. What will you build first?